So for the pump motor power supply, it's from this connection for our power supply. So two screws, one here, take out. Then these wires you can slowly push it aside. Receiver remove from the metal plate. Then this all pushing down. Top here have contact, so pushing down. Then this one metal plate can come out. So easy, not pulling the wires, broken the wires. Yeah. Then you can see all the connections. This receiver all plugs, all power supply to the pump ESC. Okay, so from the pump, this is the ESC. See the red and the black power supply. So this red and this black, that's the ESC power supply, 1, 2. So from ESC output, 3 wires going to the motor. This one, it is a sample torque, yeah, so it is welding. But for production one, come here. Production one, all this pump ESC, it is with these plugs. You can directly unplug and plug in. Plug, take out, you can remove. We will see how to remove the pump with the motor together. Remove the pump, this line from oil tank. This one is for pressure valve returning. And this one, this hose, it's a suction. So these 2 holes remove the pump, later we can pull out. So from under the pump, this plate have 4 screws. 4 screws all removed, then we can pulling out the pump with the motor. So the ESC 3 plug already take out. This oil hose remove, 2 oil hose, yeah. So this one, actually you will have to remove from the filter. The return line directly remove, but suction line have removed from filter. Yeah, actually that one, the sample one, the first truck is different from this production one. Suction line is directly go to pump, but the pressure return line is go to the filter. So from the filter, this hose from the pump need to remove from the filter. Okay, so suction from suction oil hose and the return oil line all removed. Just pull out from this hole, pull it out, and also the suction line. So there is a nozzle, so have to align with the hose and pull it out. Okay, it's all come out. Then you can pull out the pump with motor. This pump is a little different with production one, yeah. Yeah, one pulling, not to pulling other wires. Okay, it's coming out. Sorry. Okay, that's the production pump with motor, with middle connection part, pressure valve. So if it's a suction air, for example, it's a suction from oil tank, you see the air, it's not the air in the oil tank. It should be the pump pumping suction somewhere from the pump or from the middle connection, pumping air to the oil tank, then suction it out. If air in the system, it will be not stable oil pressure. So the boom for out and back, not enough pressure, or it's not accurate for locking or unlocking the pin. So the pump we have to see where it is suction air. So can remove this with Allen key. These 2 are remove the pump to the middle connection. So remove these 2 screws with Allen key. It is long screw. Remove, you can separate it from the middle connection part. So remember, so here that's top side, yeah. Then we can pull out. After pull out, you will see here, so we have the suction line from left side. This is suction line. So that's the suction seal from a middle connection part. That's the seal push in. And this side is a discharging line. From here, this discharging line go to this hose, go to valve block. And here that's the pressure valve, pressure release to oil tank. So here, all have to check. It is the suction discharge seal or this shaft seal. If it is a shaft seal, we don't replace the shaft seal, we just replace the pump. All this pump head, all apart, remove it, change a new one. So we can give you spare parts with these seals, 1, 2, 3, changing new, yeah? And this pump, changing, you first assemble this pump with new seals to your middle connection part, and then this suction and discharging line, you can connect back to oil tank. Running the pump directly, maybe around maximum 4 MPa to see the oil suction transparent hose is coming air or not. If not coming, it means only the pump shaft is suction air. But after you changing new pump, new seals, it's all tight, all good. But after you assemble to test if coming air, if still coming air, it could be this middle connection nozzles somewhere it's suction air. So maybe better we just changing directly, or this assemble back the pump with the middle connection, new one. New connection, new motor, new pump. All assemble ready, then you changing all for saving trouble.